So here I got the pre-lit Christmas tree, and in this video I'm going to do a quick demo of the lights so you know what to expect when you tree your eyes. But the lights are already pre-installed, and what they give you is a little foot pedal, so you can leave this on the ground so you never have to bend down. You just press your foot on it and it's good to go. But all it is one button. When I turn the lights on, just give it a click. They have like a full, just kind of white light mode. This is my favorite, which is multicolor all the way through the tree and just stays on. Otherwise, you can pick different ones where they kind of strobe in and out and change colors. They have a blinking feature where if you want it more to light up the room and be blinking for you, maybe on Christmas, you can do that. They have a blinking too, where it's blinking with all the multi-color. So there's a bunch of different options here. You kind of pick whatever you like most. Otherwise, if you don't want any on, you can just click through and turn them all off with the click of a button. Like I said, this can sit on the floor too, and personally, that's how I do it. Sits under the tree. When you're ready to turn them on, give it a push and it's good to go. But overall, super happy with this tree. Easy to put together. Fits my living room nice. I love that the lights are pre-installed. I don't have to mess with those. So I give it 2 thumbs up.